Welcome, everybody. Welcome on this glorious night. I wanted to get a shout out. Press the thumbs up and subscribe. I do this for you guys and for my followers and to get the word out on cryptos and to change the world. I did buy a microphone and I'm working on getting it hooked up, but for right now, you're gonna have to deal with my crappy microphone on my computer. So sorry about that. So Doge 1 is set to launch. Its grand launch takes place in the crypto space by storm. What do you guys think about this? We're putting it, it's a Doge miner on the moon. I think it's pretty cool. I think this coin is gonna do some things too. I also just, you got to laugh sometimes, you guys, on what's going on with Congress and with the world sometimes. So don't take things too seriously. Get yourself some cryptos and some silver and put that in your back pocket as insurance. That's what I do. $7 of gas, 40-year high inflation for me, 21% raise for me. All right. So I wanted to go to the nickel chart real quick because I just wanted to see these things. I heard it, but I actually just wanted to look it up. And does this thing look like anything familiar? Like, I mean, so it's like a 223% pump right there, and a little less than 100 days. So what do you guys think that gold and silver are going to do? I think the money right now has to go somewhere. So I think there's going to be a rotation from equities back into commodities, things that are overpriced to things that are underpriced. Let me know what you guys think about that. The dollar right now is still within this descending triangle. We got rejected just like I thought we were going to. That is great. It is, by the way, it is March 22nd tonight as of recording to this. Dollar is getting rejected. I think this is going to fall out here sometime in the end of March 28th, it looks like. Somewhere in that time, I think for the end of March, you guys, something's going to happen here. Bitcoin. We're still in this, we still haven't had a confirmed breakout. We're still in this tightening formation right now. Let me turn on Lux Algo for you. It was strong buy on the 4-hour for Lux Algo. Technicals show 5 sell, 9 neutral, 12 buy. The market cipher. Market cipher is showing a bearish divergence on the 4-hour. But we have bullish divergence on the daily. Litecoin. I wanted to show you guys Litecoin's chart as far as Litecoin USD or BTC. So this chart is LTC BTC. I haven't really seen many people do this analysis. Turn off the Lux Algo. But this is an enormous wedge, descending wedge, dating back to August 2018. And when this thing goes, you guys, this thing, it's going to go to probably, it looks like it's going to go to like 2% of Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin, so the play here is whenever this thing breaks out, actually, you want to be in Litecoin over Bitcoin, or like Bitcoin's falling as Litecoin's pumping, or Litecoin's just pumping faster than Bitcoin, which is, I think that's what's going to happen. I think Bitcoin's going to pump, Litecoin's just going to pump, it's just going to pump so much harder. So that's what I'm looking at right here, where this formation is really getting pretty explosive here. It's very exciting to watch. ETH looks like it's indicating right now that we're going to have a breakout to the upside. It's holding this level. We had a breakout, and now we're confirming support. Hopefully this holds right here, and we just do this exactly what this line go shows. That would be ideal for ETH, and then we would have a target up here at like 3,700. Let's go back to ETH. Technicals on that are 6 sell, 9 neutral, 11 buy. SHIB. We're still in a very tightening formation. We have 9 sell, 9 neutral, and 6 buy. So it's looking kind of neutral, I would say, right now on the daily. On the 4 hour, 2 hour, everything looks like a sell on SHIB right now. Let's see if we can spot something here on the charts. Looks like we're having some bearish divergence on the 4 hour. I would say I would expect another test of this trend line right here at 21 millionths of a dollar, and then before we start pumping again. It just looks like that we're gonna have to revisit that. Dogecoin. Oh, this is let me see. Doge. So Dogecoin is Litecoin is the Doge father. Litecoin spawned its little baby Doge, and it turned into a rabid dog on Litecoin, and then basically ate its dad. It was really sad. So, but I think Litecoin, people need to remember Litecoin's going to have a time to shine here. So keep some Litecoin in your pocket, you guys. I'm telling you, that's my not financial advice. Please don't take a guy with, well, I did get my gas off. I just kind of took them off. The doctor didn't even call me back. So I was just like, okay, I'm going to take them off. So my short story. Silver, we're not really doing much on here. I'm going to go to the daily here on silver. The cipher, we have some money coming flowing. This green is cash flow back into silver right now. So we're still in the green. We just did put in a red dot on the daily. I wouldn't lean too much on that right now. Gold, we still have a heavy cash flow into gold. I don't see anything too scary here. It might look a little scary to some people, but this is probably a bull flag ultimately on the daily. With the target here, there somewhere, 2,200. I would expect a move in gold here pretty soon. If we can start moving and complete this cup and handle and have a clean breakout of our last previous highs of 2,070, then gold is going to run, you guys. I think gold's going to have a breakout as well. QQQ is showing the technologies are all having a reversal right now. So that's really good for Bitcoin, all cryptos. It usually follows. So that's really exciting. Let's see, anything else interesting that we should talk about? Tesla's having a reversal, it looks like. Don't bet against Elon, you guys. wouldn't do it. Wouldn't do it. I think that's let's do some theta. Theta's looking like it's gonna have a breakout here on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. It's looking pretty solid on theta. We're setting a higher high now, so that's good. first higher high in a while. So looking like we need to really hold above this trend line on theta. So I don't know how many of you guys like the theta out there. Platinum is a very undervalued metal, you guys. Platinum is 64 times more rare than gold. So, but it's trading at half the price of gold. So go figure on that. Go figure on that market. And we'll go to platinum on the daily. Platinum is just breaking out of this long-term downtrend. So this is a really good play right now. Typically, you want to get in on a trade after we have a break, confirmed break. This is a confirmed breakout, and then this is where we want to buy, and it's really like we're talking about like $40 away from target zone right now on platinum. I'll show you this weekly chart I'm talking about. This goes all the way back to 2008 downtrend. So we are breaking out of this thing on platinum. And then we're having our retest, and I think the projection here, if you believe the paper is going to chase the physical here pretty soon, is way up past, I can't see, over $3,000 an ounce. So platinum, interesting play right now. Get your hands on physical, you guys, over paper right now. Start to shift more, get yourself some food, get yourself some security. Take it easy, and Litecoin Martin out. Peace.